Hello everyone and welcome to another Google Tag Manager tutorial. Today we're going to explain where and how to find your Google Tag Manager code. It's extremely easy. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So job number one, you are going to access your container. You're going to make sure you are here in Workspace. And then here there are a couple of ways to find the code. Option number one, on the top right hand side, there is this ID. This is your Google Tag Manager ID. You can simply click here and voila, this is your Google Tag Manager code. So this part of the code you're going to paste at the header of your website. This part of the code you're going to paste in the body of your website. A second way is you are going to go to admin, and once you come here to admin, you are going to find install Google Tag Manager here on the second column. You're going to click here and you are going to find the same exact Google Tag Manager code. So once again, two options. The easiest option is when you're under Workspace, you're going to click here your ID. This is where your code lives. Or you're going to go to admin. You're going to click install Google Tag Manager. And this is where you're going to find your tracking code. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and have a great day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.